from Yonsei University. It is my great privilege to give a presentation in front of you and to share the ideas from each university's experience. Okay, I will start the presentation. Our presentation is composed of 3 parts. The first part is for a brief introduction of Yonsei University, and the second part is about the global internship program, and the third part is career support programs. Okay, I will start Yonsei's brief introduction. Our new President John announced the new innovative vision, the third founding, opening of the Yonsei International Campus in Songdo, Incheon. The highlighted point of third founding is Residential College in Songdo, Incheon campus. So all first-year students will spend a year at Songdo, Incheon campus in the concept of residential college, which is benchmarking the Ivy League educational model. So we are sure that the Yonsei can reach out to the world with this project. And this page, we will show you the representative numbers of Yonsei University. Proudly, in 2012 중앙일보 National University Ranking, Yonsei University is ranked #1 to beat all our rival universities in Korea. Okay, for the time guideline, we will move on to the next point. From now on, getting more closer our theme, in this section, I will share 2 top universities' internship program. The first university I'd like to introduce is Oxford University. Last October, I had an opportunity to visit Oxford University with our new president on the purpose of strengthening our partnership. The first issue of the international team in Oxford was about the internship in Korea. So we found that the global internship is a hot issue in UK students as well. As the increasing needs for internship, Oxford University International Team was launched, the International Internship Program in 2008 summer vacation. The director of the international team in Oxford told me that this program is very popular for the Oxford students and competitive to get this chance. The next university I'd like to introduce is the Princeton University. It was quite surprising that they are running very huge internship program systemically, at the same time choosing an area of concentration. As you can see, Princeton in France, which is called PIA, is focusing on the France internship. And the second one is German summer work program. And the third one is global seminar internships. So if you plan to develop a global internship program, it will be a good idea to benchmark Oxford University and Princeton universities. And from now on, we will introduce Yonsei's representative global internship programs. The first one I'd like to introduce is Korea Summer Internship Program for visiting students from all over the world. And the second one is we will call UGET. It's Global Internship for Yonsei students. Okay. Korea Summer Internship Program is offering internship opportunities at companies located in Korea for the students who participate in Yonsei International Summer School. Yonsei International Summer School is one of the successful and biggest international programs in Yonsei. So we had over 1,300 students in last year. As the needs of internship chance during summer break, we are accelerating these Korean summer internship programs in this year. So we are expecting about over 100 internship slots in 2013 this summer. So if there are any students who are exploring summer experience abroad, please recommend Yonsei International Summer School and get the internship chance in Korea. And this program is UGET. UGET stands for Undergraduate Global Experience Team Project. This is a quite interesting program which is combined with internship and team project. Companies are sponsoring short-term internship to the students and expenditures for global research. Instead, company is asking for the students for the team project result. What the university's role? University gave a credit to the students who completed the project and internship successfully, and selecting the excellent students to the company and evaluating. The total budget for each vacation is about 100,000 US dollars, yearly over 200,000 US dollars. All budgets is sponsored by companies. And Yonsei select regularly 10 teams for vacation. These teams are composed for Yonsei students. On the right side of this slide, you can see the examples of global team projects. You might see the subjects are very interesting and very practical. You get this praise for this innovative program, and the feedback from the students and companies are very good. Okay, this is challenge and benefits. As an administrator's viewpoint, internship is not an easy program to handle it because it needs to be worked closely with three partners like students, companies, and universities' other departments like Career Development Center and relevant colleges. Fortunately, Yonsei has a strong alumni network and devoted faculties and staffs, so we can have a higher position to facilitate internship programs successfully in spite of these challenges. I hope this presentation is useful and helpful for developing your programs. Thank you for listening. And from now on, Tommy Che will give a presentation regarding career support program.